Good morning, friends and family. Okay, so today's a big day. I'm going to be teaching the masterclass for MetaPWR, and I'm super excited. And I thought I'd jump on here real quick to tell you how it's going because it's been almost 2 weeks, and so far, amazing. I can't believe it. Like, I kept hearing testimonials that it kicks the cravings and people weren't having any cravings, and that's actually true. I can't believe it myself, but yeah, it does. It works. For the first time last night, I actually told Aaron, I was like, I don't feel like having an after dinner snack tonight. I don't know, I'm just feeling fuller longer. That I've noticed this week, and that's huge, because you guys, it's October, and Halloween is right around the corner, and lots of sugar is going to be coming into my house, so that's going to be a true test, right? So the only thing different that Aaron and I have done with our diet is be more mindful of the sugar content and the foods that we buy. So I was really pricing and comparing sugar versus non-sugar stuff. And yeah, you're gonna pay more for the non-sugar stuff, so that tells you a lot right there. So be mindful of that, and yeah, I cannot wait for you guys to join me this evening. It's gonna be a deep dive into all the products, how our body works when we get older, and what these products are gonna do for us. So please join me because it's going to be amazing. And then there's going to be a short version of that class at some point. I haven't gotten all the materials for that. So if you just can't muscle through the whole class, there's a short one coming up. So I'm seriously, I don't want you guys to miss this information no matter what. Okay, that's it. I'm walking to school again. I don't do it every day, you guys, just so you know, because sometimes I have to go do some errands, and I don't want to go home, because once I get home I don't want to leave again, even though I have to get my kid. But yeah, for those kind of things I don't want to. So I'll see you tonight, and I'll give you a little shout out reminder 2 hours before the class, and I can't wait to see you. This is going to be amazing. See you tonight, guys. Bye. Love you.